Alright, so we're going to do a little operational check on this King Tiger before it goes to its new home. So the first thing is the owner's going to want to know, how do you turn it on? Well, in the back here we have the jack box, which you pull off, and behind that is a little switch. And turn it on. I'm not going to put the jack box back on, but it's basically held on with two small pegs. The holes are in here, you can see, and there's also a magnet, so as you get it close to it where the pegs go, it'll actually grab it and pull it in. Alright, so we have power now. I'm going to show you later with some pics that how the battery's hooked up inside and so on and so forth on the electronic side of things. So we'll just do a little turret test now. That is one long barrel. That's maximum rotation there. And it goes, it's a 320 rotation, so it doesn't rotate 360 degrees, otherwise you get all the wiring bound up, of course. I'll bring it back around to the front. Check out some elevation. Elevates quite nicely, good angle. Down. Alright, now we're going to do I'm going to show you cold start and the hot start. So when you first turn the tank on, you'll get the cold start first. The sound effect is pretty impressive. It's pretty impressive. Alright. Next thing I want to check is lights. So I got a nice headlight there. One of the custom features I put on this little guy is also the convoy light. See smoke. Smoker's running pretty good. And this has proportional smoke. I'm going to turn out this light here so you can see some of the stuff better. This has proportional smoke, so as you accelerate, the smoke will actually more pressure and pushes more smoke up. It's kind of hard to show this on video here because it really doesn't show how much smoke's coming out of here, but there's quite a bit. It runs quite nice. Alright, so we checked the lights. Now we're going to check machine gun. Oops, did the voice first. Sorry about that. Nice little machine gun effect. A main gun flash. Very nice recoil. And it's got reload time is set to the proper parameters that it would take to reload an 88. Okay, I'm going to shut down this motor now. So as I explained before, it has the cold start when you first turn the tank on. But once you've had it on, then when you restart the engine, it's actually the hot start. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to shut it off again. And this has a TK50 ESP in it, so the customer is actually getting an upgrade from what I sold it to him. So this has all the different voice commands.
Achtung! Achtung! Voran! Ein Panzer kommt! Wir werden angegriffen! Danke, danke! Sie sind hinter uns! Schwere feindliche Panzer gesichtet! Wir brauchen Artillerieunterstützung!
And what those all say, I have no clue. So anyway, yeah, so there it is. That's the little just operational test on things. The next thing we're going to check is the IR. With the Clark boards, it's kind of cool because you can do a machine gun effect. So what we use that for when we're battling is we will plink the tank across the field with our machine gun, and we'll be able to hear that sound and see it light up like that. And then we'll fire our main gun because we know we're on target. And that's the sound. That's the sound effects you get with the main gun. And so the next thing we're going to do here, I'm going to restart the engine. And you can see everything rolls the way it should. It's got really nice crawl features on this. It just crawls really nice. You've probably seen it on some of my other YouTube videos. So yeah, so everything is functioning here and we're good to go.